Are you one kind of person who always record higher BPs, even on medications? In today's video, I will share with you 7 common reasons why that may be happening. So definitely you might be among one of these 7, or you may be doing one out of these 7. So stick to this video, watch this video to the end so that you will know the very reason why you always record higher BPs, even on medication. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. The first reason may be that your medication isn't taken correctly. This includes missing doses, taking your medication at different times. For instance, today you take your medication at 6 a.m. and then 6 p.m. The next day, 9 a.m. and then 7 p.m. There's irregularity with regards to your medication intake. The timing always changes. And there are also some people that when they feel well, they stop taking their medication. The second factor may be that your medication actually needs adjustment. It may be that the particular dose or strength of your BP medication is very, very low. So we need to increase the dose in order to meet your BP. And also sometimes we need to add 2 or 3 other BP medications in order to control your BPs. The third thing is lifestyle factors like high intake of salt, fatty food, lack of inactivity, obesity, alcohol consumption, and also smoking. These can also cause an increase in your blood pressure indirectly. Then the next thing we need to talk about is some particular kind of medications, because there are some particular kind of medications that can cause an increase in your blood pressure even though you are on medication. This includes an increased intake of painkillers, specifically NSAID, which are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications. They include ibuprofen, diclofenac, felvin, naproxen, and so on. And also steroid intake. If you take a lot of steroid for a very long period of time, that can also affect your blood pressure even though you are on medication. Now, the next factor we need to talk about is what we call white coat hypertension. There are some people that at home, they always record normal BPs. But when they get to the facility or the hospital, because of anxiety, they always record higher BPs. So with such a case, you need to train yourself that even though at the hospital, is it the same BP machine that you are using? You understand? The same BP machine you use at home, there's that same BP machine you are going to use on you at the hospital. So you need to train yourself with regards to the anxiety. You understand? And the next thing we need to talk about is what we call some underlying medical conditions, because there are some particular medical conditions that can tip you into having higher BPs even though you are on medication. These include kidney disease, some thyroid issues, hormonal disorders, and also even higher cholesterol. That is what we call hyperlipidemia. If your cholesterol is very, very high, that can tip you into always recording higher BPs even though you are consistent with taking your medication. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is the way you check your blood pressure. It might be that you always check your blood pressure wrongly, because there are some people that they have very small arm and others have very big arm. So for small arm, we use the small calf, and also for the big arm, we use the big calf. You understand? So if you use it interchangeably for a big calf, a big arm, then you use a small calf, you will get your measurement wrong. And also, before you check your blood pressure, you need to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. You shouldn't just get to where you are checking your blood pressure and then we begin checking it for you. That will cause an increase in your blood pressure. You understand? You need to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before we check your blood pressure. Then, while checking your blood pressure, your hand should be at your heart's level. You understand? You shouldn't check your blood pressure while your hand is up. When you do that, it will always make your blood pressure become high. Also, don't cross your leg while checking your blood pressure. Your leg should be firm on the ground. You shouldn't cross your leg. So these things are certain kind of reasons why a lot of people always record higher BPs. So if you know that you are doing one of these 7, or you are among one of these 7, or there are certain kind of medical conditions that are predisposing you to the hypertension, or there are certain kind of investigations that you need to do in order to find out that there are certain kind of medical conditions that are tipping you into always recording higher BPs, then there's a need to do so. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.